Hello students, today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 11th. Huck Finn goes hunting for news. Comprehension A. Choose the correct option. First, the island where Huck and Jim were hiding was called Jackson's Island. Second, Huck decided to slip across the river and find out the news in the town. Third, Huck started up the Illinois shore in the canoe just after dark. Fourth, the middle aged woman in the shanty was knitting. Then, fifth, there was a reward of $200 for Huck's father. Sixth, the woman's husband went up down with a man to get a boat and see if they could borrow another gun. B. Answer these questions briefly. First question, why did Jim ask Huck to dress up like a girl? Answer, Jim asked Huck to dress up as a girl so that nobody would recognize him even in the daytime. Second question, what was the first story that Huck told the woman in the shanty? Answer, the first story that Huck told the woman in the shanty was that his name was Sarah Williams and he lived in Hookerville. He had walked all the way because his mother was sick and out of money, and he came to ask his uncle Abner Moore for help. Next question, what was the second story Huck made up and told the woman? Answer, Huck made up a second story and told the woman his name was Mary Williams, and after she discovered that he was a boy, he told her another story that his father and mother were dead and the law had bound him to a mean old farmer and he treated him badly. So he robbed the farmer's daughter's old dress and ran away. He said his name was George Peter. Question number 4. What were all the names that Huck gave himself? Answer, Sarah Williams, Mary Williams and George Peter were all the names that Huck gave himself. Then fifth, what news did the woman give Huck about Jim? What was her theory about Jim's location? Answer, the woman told Huck had been murdered a runaway slave named Jim because he ran off the very night that Huck was killed. There was a reward of $300 for his capture. She thought that the runaway slave Jim must be hiding on Jackson's Island, and her husband and another man were going over to the island to find him. Question number 6. How did Huck and Jim escape? Huck got into his canoe and went off in a hurry to Jackson's Island, where his old camp used to be, and started a good fire there. Then he went to the cavern where Jim lay asleep and woke him up, and they loaded all their things onto the raft and slipped away without saying a word. Then see, think and answer the questions. First question, how did the woman find out that Huck was a boy dressed up as a girl? What advice did she give Huck? Answer, the woman found out that Huck was a boy dressed up as a girl because when he tried to thread a needle, he held the thread and brought the needle to it. When he threw at a rat, he threw like a boy from the wrist and elbow. When he tried to catch the lead, he clapped his legs together like a boy. All these mistakes prove to the woman that Huck was a boy dressed up as a girl. She advised Huck to hold the needle still and poke the thread at it, to throw from the shoulder, and to throw the knees apart and catch anything in her dress as girls would do. These were the differences between boys and girls and the way they did things. Second question, how did the woman confirm that Huck had actually lived in the country? What does it tell you about the woman? Answer. The woman confirmed that Huck had lived in the country by asking him a series of questions. She asked him when a cow is lying down, which end of her gets up first, and when a horse is lying down, which end of her gets up first. She also asked him which side of a tree the moss grows on, and if 15 cows were browsing on a hill. On a hillside, how many of them eat with their heads pointed in the same direction? This tells us that the woman herself had lived in the country and that she was a very intelligent, alert, and sharp.